Online learning has evolved rapidly, yet most learners still experience it as passive and isolating. At Human2Human.ai, we believe real learning happens through connection, when people think, discuss, and build understanding together. That's why we created Human2Human.ai, an AI-powered facilitator that brings structure, participation, and meaningful feedback to real-time group learning experiences. Unlike typical AI tutors focused on solo study, Human2Human.ai enables collaborative online sessions like debates, case studies, or guided reflections, where the AI helps the group stay focused, balanced, and productive. Imagine a live group chat where each participant contributes, and the AI facilitator jumps in to prompt deeper thinking, invite quieter voices, and summarize key insights. Educators design the activity, AI facilitates it. Participants connect and learn together. Human2Human.ai turns online learning from passive to participatory and from chaotic to structured, all while scaling effortlessly to large audiences. With Human2Human.ai, designing a collaborative activity takes minutes, not hours. You can design with AI, just describe your learning goal, and our assistant generates a structured activity proposal. Or start from editable templates, or create from scratch in 5 intuitive steps. Step 1. Define activity details. Give your activity a title, objectives, and image. Describe your learners and what they should prepare before joining. Step 2. Set the structure. Break your session into timed phases like warm-up, discussion, and reflection, and add resources or reference materials as needed. Step 3. Configure your AI facilitator. Choose its name, tone, and pacing. You decide if it should be encouraging, analytical, or conversational, and how it should guide the group. Step 4. Design your feedback criteria. Create a simple rubric to define how participation and understanding will be evaluated, ensuring consistent, personalized feedback for every learner. Step 5. Schedule and publish. Set availability, launch your activity, and share the link, or integrate directly into your LMS with a few simple configurations. Once live, the AI takes over facilitation, so you can focus on insights, not logistics. Participants access their session from a shared link or directly from their learning management system. They see the instructions, objectives, and materials prepared by their educator. And when it's time, they join a live, AI-moderated group. Inside the activity, the experience feels natural and alive, like a real conversation. Participants talk by voice or type messages, see who's active, and watch the AI facilitator guide the dialogue in real time. As the discussion unfolds, the AI ensures that every voice is heard and the group stays on topic. At the end, each learner receives personalized feedback based on the educator's rubric, helping them reflect, improve, and prepare for the next challenge. After the session, Human2Human.ai turns every interaction into meaningful insight. Your analytics dashboard shows what really matters: attendance, engagement, satisfaction, and learning outcomes. See who participated, which moments sparked the most interaction, and where learners struggled or excelled. You can explore transcripts, review individual performance, and identify opportunities for improvement, giving you a clear picture of learning impact across all your activities. It's everything you need to measure and continuously improve the human side of learning. Human2Human.ai is available as a SaaS subscription with 2 plans. Essential, perfect for individual educators getting started with AI-facilitated group learning. Professional, built for institutions and learning teams that need collaboration features, LMS integrations, and flexible AI usage. Visit Human2Human.ai and sign up for free to create your first activities and experience how AI can help people learn, discuss, and grow together. Because the future of learning isn't only machine to human, it's also human to human.